100 watts GaN docking station. Compared with the previous version, the power has been increased to 100 watts. Can meet the power supply of more devices. The HDMI port, USB data port and host port are retained. Added one Type-C, one fast charging port and 1 gigabit network port. It is the switch dock, also a GaN charger, on a Type-C docking station. First demonstrate the switch dock mode. Plug in the power and HDMI cable. Full function cable connected to the GaN dock and switch. You can enter the dock mode. Big screen game. Plug in the internet cable, network speed faster and more stable. Then show you the docking station mode. You can use it as a Type-C docking station without power supply. Support Steam Deck, iPad, cell phones and laptops that support DP video protocol devices. Plug in the power. Can also charge the device while expanding. Normally used as a charger. Can charge 3 devices at the same time. Compact size for easy storage.